values at Dahl Automotive is giving back to the communities. And so we had this idea for tonight, got together with Nias, with Jeremy, with his team, and put together this idea of restoring the car for tonight. So I'm gonna let Nias tell you a little bit about his organization, and then we're gonna have a little bit of a surprise.
I want to do two things. Number one, thank the Dahl team down in La Crosse that found this car for us. Super great. And then Jeremy and the team up at ABRA for restoring the car. Tonight we are going to be surprising somebody by giving them a car. Woo! All right. So we need your help in this.
So we can get everybody to turn around, and we're gonna get around the car,